Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the application theme on the Google Earth application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click on the settings function down below, and then as you can see in the display settings section there is this application theme option. Click on it, and now you have three options you can choose from: system, dark or light theme. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to change it for, and as you can see the new application theme has been updated, so you will use this dark mode in your application, so you can change it anytime by going back and selecting another option. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.